Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Ooh, what's that? It looks like
Ingredient brownies.
Kids Love Food.
So as you've seen before, we made 3 ingredient cookies, and today we're using the same ingredients
Down
but
below and give
a
a like.
slightly
Subscribe
different.
to
So let's
Kids
get
Love
to
Food.
it.
That is
So
nice.
you'll need
Whoa,
egg,
that's so many. I can't even
plain
think of them.
flour,
Because we kids love.
and it meant to be Nutella, but we're going to just use chocolate spread.
It's the same ingredients they did for last time.
So let's get, first things first, we're going to add our chocolate spread. So it's better to move everything away first before you use a big mix.
And if you put stuff in the oven, you should always ask the parent.
Just add approximately, I think like maybe 1 cup, but we're just going to use all of this.
Oh,
So,
that's a lot.
I'll show you guys how. 1 cup.
That is a lot.
See, to finish this whole thing. Because this is the thing that makes it, that mostly sticks everything together and gives it a nice flavor too.
Nice brownie you're gonna make. I'm gonna make a nice brownie.
So if you don't like to have chocolate Nutella, you gotta use normal chocolate spread or any spread, any
Even
flavor.
jam.
But I think like no, not jam.
And
not
don't forget,
spread.
if you're allergic to peanut butter,
this.
don't do it. Or even do jam.
See, it's nearly done. So eat a lot of this.
Eat a lot to make it nice and chocolatey.
Yeah.
Oh man, I want to eat it by itself.
So that should be enough, but as you see, that's nothing. You need a lot.
No, it's being healthy.
So now I'm now emptying up. I tried to finish all the Nutella spread I had. And when I mean I don't mean the whole thing. Like when the first we opened it until this, it wasn't all finished. So if you're wondering that this is a very unhealthy thing, well, I did use the whole thing. It was already
This chocolate's nice enough.
almost finished, ready. So you don't want to, because this, I don't think this is gonna be enough, but still. You got egg and flour to do, so
Want some chocolate?
there we go. So you see here.
Don't forget, don't eat that much chocolate by itself. That is not healthy.
Seriously? Okay, so now we've got our Nutella in there. We're now gonna add our egg. So here's our egg. 1 egg. Just 1 egg. So
Make sure there's no shells in there. Oh, that dropped.
remember when dealing with raw egg, wash your hands afterwards, unless you're baking something. So we're now going to use it. So you want to mix this all together.
Mix it.
I just don't think it's gonna be enough. If this is not enough, you're gonna have to get
Mix it.
So this is kind of different from the same ingredients and same thing with the cookies. This thing needs to be more runny, like very much more runny than
And by the
that.
way, and don't eat that.
That's
thing
not
what
right.
I'm thinking. Don't eat that. Eat the egg raw. It just doesn't taste nice, okay?
Okay, now we're gonna add our flour and approximately maybe 1 cup. But if it starts getting a bit hard dough, don't add any more. Maybe runny. It needs to be runny. So I'm gonna add maybe 1/2 cup first, and we'll see how much we'll need then.
Oh, I'll do that. And if you want, you can ask that any assistance or like.
I think the more Nutella you put, I think the more you'll get. Like a. There you go. See.
And shake it.
So here we have this. I think I already do this now. If you put more flour in this, maybe another cup, it'll turn into Nutella cookies. So It's kind of a good thing.
Yeah, but if you're making a cookie like this one,
You put more flour. You
you
want
put more flour.
it'll become like a nice pasty dough.
Yeah, but for this one, you have to put oil, not a lot, but just in case if the mixer is running. Ooh, I really want to eat that, but it's so unhealthy.
You're eating when it's cooked. And Yana's saying this is not healthy. Come on.
Oh yeah.
So you see now is a bit now good and runny.
Wow, it's really chocolatey.
So now that's our mixture done.
And don't eat anything cold.
And I think that the more you cook it inside the oven, I'll get like more color, or I'm not sure.
Or
We'll
with
find out.
assistance. If you're going to do something like this.
So here we have it. So let's go into round 3. So now we're gonna butter the pan that we shall be using the for the brownies in. So we're gonna use some tissue. You can do it that way, or you can use a spread. It's up to you. That's
Why
what
don't you just use oil? You just use oil.
you use butter. Here you go.
Whoever thinks going to use oil, don't use oil. Use butter. I don't know why, but just use butter.
You need to make sure it's all over the place, so that when you put the mixture inside and when it's done baking, it won't get stuck in there, and then you end up getting pieces of brownie there, pieces of brownie here. And depending on how much mixture you have, the bigger the pan you might need. So we're using this small pan here, depending on how much we need. And also, you want to put a bigger one, or else it could be very thin. You don't want that to happen. You want it to be thick.
Nice and big. I'm gonna eat some now.
Stop with the eating. So now I have the mixture here. So now we're gonna just go and put all of this inside the pan here.
I'm gonna eat all of that.
Enough.
Cookie Monster.
It's brownies.
Who was that?
It's brownies. I ain't cookies. It's brownies.
It's like Cookie Monster. It's gonna get all our cookies.
It's
Oh,
brownies, not
Oh
cookies.
yeah, then somebody's gonna get all the cookies and brownies.
You don't have. Gosh.
Then somebody's gonna get all our brownies. We must throw it away.
Where's Cookie Monster, not Brownie Monster? Have you ever had one called Brownie Monster? No!
Yes,
So
I
why are you
did.
worrying?
Somebody.
Just sometimes, So you see guys, don't think we have enough. But we're not going to make a 7 batch, it's just like a tryout. And now
We
know
can put
how
more
much.
if you like though.
It's up to you guys.
Yeah, it's up to you guys. You put
This is
more.
just our
than that.
trying out.
This is our tryout.
Just our trying.
Yeah.
So
And
if you
don't
chosen a
waste
bigger one,
food.
if
Don't
you
waste
chosen a
food.
bigger one, it would have been very thin,
And don't waste food.
like biscuits, like very small biscuits.
I love some.
Chewy biscuits.
Oh, finally, the Cookie Monster is gone. Cookie Monster is gone. Oh, I guess.
Kind of use all of this.
Come back.
So guys, this is how much we're able to get.
Yeah.
I'm hoping it rises up.
Well, we can
So,
get more if
I
you
bet-
like, though.
Yeah, it won't be up to here, but that's how much we got. So anyway, bye guys. We'll show you until after it's been cooked. So
bye, guys.
for now, just bye.
Yeah, bye.
For now.
It's not the end. To be continued.
So guys, I now put it in the oven for 13 minutes, and there we go, it's already done. So I poked it, nothing came out,
Continued.
so it's done. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go and take this guy out.
3, 2, 1.
We'll wait for a little while.
Let's see. Oh, that is really, really.
He's still a bit hot, but
It's really, really small. You should make it more bigger. You really should make it more bigger.
we need to wait for a
It's
little while.
really tiny.
So we're gonna wait for a little while before cutting it, and then we're gonna go ahead and try it. So approximately this we're gonna make it a bit more so it has more pieces. So we're gonna wait for that to happen. I've got and remember guys, knives are sharp, so be careful when dealing with one.
Yeah, and even ask the parent to do it.
So we're gonna wait for a while and gonna cut it open now, see how it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it now. You don't want it to be too small, so. Going this ways. There you go, guys. It's a bit crumbly because you know the sides are burnt a bit. Well, not burnt, but toasty. So let's try out this one. It's like a cake. It's kind of like a cake. So guys, this is basically like a cake. But because it's not thick enough, that isn't not really more that's chewy. But it's nice though. It's a good first try. So I guess if you guys are gonna make this, I prefer you have a proper 1 cup of Nutella. And cause ours down here, but it meant to be up here. This whole thing. So here, try some.
How does it taste like? Nice?
It's like a cake.
Oh. Yeah, it tastes really good. You need to make your own
Also
one,
more.
but much more bigger.
Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to down below, put a thumbs up and bye.
We love food.
Indeed I do. I love food.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Kids love food.
Oh, what's that? It looks like a croissant.
Anyway, Kids Love Food.